So in my previous video, I mentioned that you can win $1,000 from Bubble. So if you're wondering how this can happen, you just need to go to Bubble social media pages. So I'll just demonstrate this with LinkedIn, just in case you're not familiar with it. So just come to LinkedIn here, search for Bubble, and go to Bubble's page and go check out their post. It is one of their recent posts. So just scroll down and you see it here. So this is win money, yeah, win dollar for building with Build AI. So you can just swipe these images. So it's here, it clearly says win $1,000 for building with Bubble AI. You generate the app, you customize it and share it on either X, that is Twitter, or LinkedIn, and then you use the Bubble AI hashtag so that you stand a chance. So the first thing you really need to do, the first step, is to use this prompt to generate an app with Bubble AI, the app generator, and then you review your editable app blueprint, then confirm it to bring your app to life. That's just what you need to do. All right. And then after this, the next thing you would need to do is to customize your app. So use the Bubble drag and drop editor to get the design logic and database just the way you want it. So what you will notice is when you are done creating the app, it wouldn't really be as you planned it, even though you've given it a prompt. So you need to now start fixing things yourself. But using the AI provided by Bubble gives you a head start already. And so you share it now on Twitter or on LinkedIn. Make sure you use the hashtag as Bubble AI. Of course, you need to tag Bubble, right? And that's all you really need to do. Now, 3 people will win. One will win from X, one will win from LinkedIn, and the other one will be Bubble's Choice Award. Each of them will win $1,000. And you have until April 22 to make your entry, after which the winner will be announced on April 28th. And this is just a step-by-step way you can stand a chance to win $1,000, like I mentioned in my previous video. So if you've not checked that video, you can check it out to see how exactly you can build with Bubble AI, build an app, and how you can build a page with Bubble AI. Now, understand that they are asking you to build an app, not just a page. So if you go ahead to build a page and post, it will not fly, but you need to build an app. Just in case you are confused, check out my previous video so that you are clear on it. Now you can also go to X, that is Twitter, and check for Bubble. Then come down a little bit, you also see the announcements here. Just make sure to follow the instruction as it has clearly been said. Make sure you're building an app, not a page. I've stated that difference in the former video, so please take your time and watch it. I think that is it. Just in case you're asking of the video, it's on YouTube. All right, so everybody stands a chance to win. Make sure you watch the previous video I made. That previous video was meant to clarify every kind of confusion you might have about what an app is and what a page is, what Bob is really talking about. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. I hope you win the $1,000. Okay.